This is the next topic for you. The name of the topic is chemical bonding. It is one of the important topic for the point of objective examinations. From this chemical bonding topic, you can expect one question easily. Chemical bonding is very important for the molecules to explain their stabilities, their shape, structure of that molecule, bond angle, bond lengths, and various informative concepts are involved in the bonding. And actually, what is the need for bonding? Why atoms need to combine? Atoms are unstable, but for a molecule, it is a stable one. Atoms, in order to get stability, they will undergo chemical bonding. This chemical bonding is a process. By this process, atoms do combine and they will become into stable molecules. There are similar different types of chemical bonds. The different types of chemical bonds are, some are strong bonds and some are weak bonds. Strong bonds are ionic bond. It is also called electrovalent bond. It is also called electrovalent bond. Then covalent bond. Then metallic bond. These are considered to be strong bonds, and there are some weak bonds like van der Waals. Van der Waals bond, hydrogen bonding, these are considered to be weak bonds. Apart from these two, strong and weak bonds, we have other type of bonds. Other type of bonds are odd electron bond. Odd electron bond. This is 3 electron bond. 3 electrons will produce one bond. Odd electron bond, 3 electron bond. Then second one, 3-centered 2 electron bond. 3-centered 2 electron bond is called tau bond. This is called banana bond. Like this, you can have different types of bonds, mainly strong bonds, weak bonds, and other types of bonds. Among these, our mainly discussion deals with ionic bond, covalent bond, and in the covalent bond you have dative bond, that is called coordinate covalent bond, and metals do form metallic bond. These are considered to be strong one. So let me discuss about the way of bond formation in brief. Usually electrovalent bond or ionic bond is formed between a metal and a non-metal. Metal and non-metal. Okay. Then basic requirement for producing electrovalent bond or ionic bond is metal and non-metal. Number 2 requirement is electronegativity difference between the two elements. is it should be more than 1.7. Should be more than 1.7. Electronegativity difference between the two elements should be more than 1.7. Then needs high lattice energies. Generally, these conditions, if elements fulfill, they can readily produce ionic bond. It's also called electrovalent bond. So let me define ionic bond. Ionic bond is a strong electrostatic force of attraction between two oppositely charged ions which are formed due to transfer of electrons from one atom valency shell to other atom valency shell. Strong electrostatic force of attraction is called ionic bond. If somebody asks you what is ionic bond, then you should tell ionic bond is a strong electrostatic force of attraction. Then how this is produced? Produced by transfer of electrons from valency shell of one atom to other atom. Usually metals transfer their electrons to non-metals. Non-metals accept, then we will be producing ionic bond.